Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to Assignment 9 for our CSIT 134 PowerPoint class. Last week, in Assignment 8, we covered Chapter 6, which dealt with integrating, reviewing, and collaborating in our PowerPoint slides. This week, in Assignment 9, we're going to take that a few steps further. So we're going to continue with Chapter 6. You're going to review Chapter 6, but you're going to be doing some new things with it. Please note that everything assigned with Assignment 9 is due by Saturday, April 29th. So after you log into Blackboard, you click to the Assignments page and click Assignment 9. At the top of the page, there's a couple of notes you need to read. First of all, the project you're going to do for Assignment 9 is not in SimNet, and it's not in your textbook either. This is a custom designed assignment. The instructions are on this page down below, and I'll show you that in just a few moments. There's also in Assignment 9 an opportunity to earn up to 20 extra credit points. This is in addition to the main assigned project. The details about this extra credit opportunity are also further down on this page. The tasks you're going to do in Assignment 9 are here. Review Chapter 6 in the textbook, complete the project, the instructions for which are down further on this page, and please answer a couple of questions in Discussion 9 in Blackboard, in the Discussion 9 forum. Please note, there is no chapter quiz this time. Really, there's no chapter quiz for Assignment 9. The next chapter quiz will be on Assignment 10. So down further are all the detailed instructions. First, I would recommend that you review Chapter 6 in the textbook, Integrating, Reviewing, and Collaborating. Practice the Show Me, Guide Me, Let Me Try tutorials in the SimNet version of Chapter 6. And then when you get to the project, please read these paragraphs. The project has to do with building a PowerPoint slideshow from scratch that will describe and illustrate the best ways you can prepare for being in a video conference meeting. Okay, video conferencing is something that's growing in popularity in businesses today. If you need to meet with one other person or even a group of people that are located in another physical place other than where you are, instead of having to incur costs to travel to another city or even farther than that, a lot of people are now relying on video conferencing to conduct meetings. So there are numbered steps here for you to do. You're going to go online and find 3 different websites that provide information about video conferencing, and be sure to cite those website addresses in your presentation. And I'm giving you a suggestion here of how the best way to look for and run the search for those websites. You might try a keyword search phrase like do's and don'ts for video conferencing, or how do you video conference in Google or any other search engine that you care to use. The rest of these steps describe exactly what you need to do, the kinds of slides you need to create. You must have at least 9 slides in this slideshow, but no more than 12. Include animation and transitions as appropriate. There's no minimum required on that, but you do have to have some animation and transitions somewhere in the slideshow. Do what you think is best. The first slide should definitely be a title slide with a relevant graphic on it. You're going to create slides that discuss verbal and nonverbal behaviors that are important for when you're on camera. Things you should do to prepare before you're on camera and during the video conference. And there's a new thing you need to do in this project Here's step 9. After you finish the project, after you finish the presentation, go back through it and insert at least 3 different comments on 3 different slides. Put 1 comment on each of the 3 slides. It doesn't matter which 3 slides they are, you can choose them. The comments should be brief notes to yourself on how to improve or edit those slides in some way. Be sure to use the comments button that's on the Insert tab. Now, Chapter 6 goes over how to put in comments. If you need help with that, just email me and let me know. And when you're finished with your project, you're going to save it with this name, A9 Project, upload it and submit it here in Blackboard. One of the things you're going to learn in Assignment 9 is how to combine other slides from someone else's slideshow into your own presentation and create a whole new thing. So I created a video for you to watch that demonstrates how you can do that, and a couple of different ways in which you can do that. And so there's a video for you to watch there. And please don't forget to answer the questions in discussion 9. Down here is the extra credit information. In order to know what to do, you have to click this link here. Click here to open extra credit instructions. When you click on that, an Adobe Reader file opens up, and please be sure to read all these instructions. There's just this one page. Read all of these instructions before you actually start anything. You have to find a partner, a collaborator, fellow classmate to do this with. If you don't find a partner, or if your partner drops out and doesn't finish the project with you, then neither of you can earn the extra credit. So this is a collaborative effort. Back here on this page at the bottom, of course, is the evaluation. The project you're going to do is worth 50 points. The discussion board is worth 10, and the optional extra credit project is worth up to 20 points. At any time, if you're not really sure what to do, please email me right away, and I will help you as quickly as possible. Thanks.